was our eldest girl's birthday, a milestone birthday, and she asked us to cook.
So she wanted me, of course, to barbecue for her. She wanted some hot dogs, sausages, and hamburgers. So that's what I prepared for her on the grill yesterday. And
And I made some baked beans with the ground beef and pineapples. And just watch the video, and you're going to see what we created.
so good.
Hi, everyone. It's Mr. Hicks and me. We're cooking up something special for our eldest daughter's birthday. No recipe, no plan, just love and creativity in the kitchen. So grab your tea, relax, and watch how it all came together. We started simple, bush country style baked beans, the kind that already tastes like summer. I browned some sirloin in my Dutch oven, added my usual mix garlic, onion powder, and a touch of lemon pepper. You know it's going to be good when the house starts smelling like Sunday dinner before noon. While that cooked down, I got the veggies ready. Some red onion, some green bell peppers, my favorite navel oranges. I even cracked a few eggs right into the meat, breaking them up by hand. That's how you make it stick and stay juicy. A little bell pepper and a little onion. I cook with instinct, not measuring spoons, okay? So don't be trying to judge me, but make sure you get those yolks off into that meat mixture before you add your veggies. And I know you saw that. 3 fingerfuls of the red onion. Yes, I love red onion. And you mix it up by hand. Then came the magic. Lemon pepper. Sprinkle it on real good. Make sure you got enough because when you work it in, you don't want just a little bit seasoned. You want it all the way through. Then add you some onion powder. After you add the onion powder, again, make sure you put enough on top. Come back in with your garlic. Make sure you put enough on top. Then bring in your breadcrumbs. Okay? And after you get your breadcrumbs added on there, and again, I cook with instinct, so I can't really tell you measurements. You want to grab that fresh squeezed juice from that navel orange. You can see the color change. That's flavor waking up. And y'all trying to get the pulp out of that orange and squeezing the orange was kind of difficult with the gloves on because of the oils from the meat. So Mr. Hicks, he helped squeeze the other half. That orange slipped right out of my hand, but teamwork made it happen. He follows up with the ranch seasoning. Wow, I mixed it all in. Every grain of flavor touching that sirloin. One entire pack of the ranch seasoning should do you good for about a total of 18 burgers. Anywhere between, I want to say 15 to 18 burgers. So once the patties were ready, he took them out to the grill, 9 to start, sizzling in that smoky air. You could hear the fire talking. I always say, when the grill sings, the food's ready and half blessed already. While he worked the grill, I finished the beans, mixed the brown meat back in, added pineapples, and then I came back after the pineapples and added some brown sugar. Now you want to make sure you use some dark brown sugar, because you want to make sure that maple syrup is off in the beans as well. Then I added some barbecue sauce after you stir in the crushed pineapples to make sure you get the juice and the pineapples dispersed all through the bean and meat mixture. I added the barbecue sauce, and after the barbecue sauce, I added some mustard. And then you're going to see I'll stir that in until it all came together. Make sure that you're stirring everything, all the ingredients in good. And like I said, don't come for me in the comments because I cook with intentions. So it'd be hard for me to give y'all perfect measurements because a lot of times I don't use measuring cups. You're going to throw it in the oven at 350. And meanwhile, by the time the second batch of burgers hit the grill, the beans were bubbling and the burgers had that perfect char. Look at that. You can see the bits of onion and bell pepper right inside that meat. We plated everything with the fresh arugula salad from the garden, simple, green, and alive. That was dinner straight from the heart. Sometimes you don't need a plan, you just need each other. The best recipes are born from laughter, love, and what's already in your kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this family moment. Until next time, guarding yourselves accordingly. So good.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that thumbs up for us. We really appreciate y'all out there.
Absolutely.